Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another video. I apologize, I've been gone for a little while. Stay tuned for a video of that. I'm gonna have upload a lot of videos coming up. It's gonna be a crazy video. It's gonna tell you guys why I've been gone for 2 weeks. But 2020 is here, people. All right, there's no time to be wasting. All right, every single day you want to earn something. I don't care if it's $5, $10, $20. Earn something every single day. Take that money at the end of the week, end of 2 weeks, end of a month, end of 2 months. Use it for something. All right, I'm here to springboard you. I'm here to really show you how to make free 100% money online. Take that money and use it and invest in yourself. All right, all I do is use free online sites. All right, cashback apps, surveys, ads. You watch movies, watch videos, almost anything, almost anything. All right, different type of sites that I use that you get money. They pay you to use the sites. All right, they pay you to search, they pay you to buy stuff. To get 2% off Walmart, 2% off this. So many different things you can do. All right, I go through my channel. Take your time. Go through my channel. I have so many different videos that can help you guys. All right, go through my channel. Take some time. Shout out to my subscribers, 7,130. Appreciate all the love. Hit me up on Instagram, Facebook. All right, I like to interact with you guys. I do one-on-one training on Instagram. So if you hit me up on Instagram, ask me anything, we can go back and forth. I'm super transparent. All right. All right, let's dive into it. This is going to be a stash. This is going to be a stash video right here. All right, this is my stash account. All right, my personal portfolio, $684.71. All right, $684.71. So, so this video right here, I'm going to show you how to use stash. I'm going to show you guys my two stock investments that I do have. And it's like almost like a disclaimer. I don't try to encourage you guys to invest in stocks, all right? Because the reason why I don't is because the money that you need to invest in stocks to really get some real money out of it, you're gonna have to put a lot of money down, right? Like, I've been doing my research. I study multimillionaires. I study billionaires. I do what they do, all right? So when I started this off, I just started off just to get get my feet wet, just to know how it is, because sometimes you don't really know how to get into things unless you really get into it. All right, so this is why I did this. All right, so I'm gonna click on my personal portfolio right here. I invested $445.42. All right, $445.42, 100% free. You have to understand, all this money came from 100% free online money maker. All right, this is when I go on my sites. I do ads, I do surveys, I get referral points, I get bonus points, I get promo codes, all that I've been doing, my percent cash backs that I get on my different apps that I use, all of that. This is what it came out to, right? So, like, I put my money in different things and watch my money grow and watch different things I can do with my money. So, like I said, I don't encourage anybody to go in stocks because you need a lot of money. Like, if this was $4,000, this would be like around $2,000, right? So now it's like, okay, you know what I mean? Like, I can cash out and make $2,000. If I cash this out, I'm really making $239. Yeah, I'm gonna get this too, so I'll probably get $684. Then with the taxes, then with the fees, they're gonna have to have certain fees on here, right? Certain fees and certain taxes. This $684 could drop down to probably like $400 or $450, right? Maybe $500. So it's not really what it's cracked up to be. But if this was $4,000, this would be $2,000. And right now I'm getting my income right, trying to make things happen. If this was $2,000, I would definitely cash this out. You see what I'm saying? If this was $4,000, this was $2,000, that's $6,000 altogether. I would cash all this out and use the $6,000. Make something happen with the $6,000. Probably double, triple that $6,000 and put it back in here. All right, so it's up to you guys. Up to you. Like I said, I had this in here for a while. These my two investments. I'm gonna show you guys my two investments. My two investments are Tesla, and my other investment is Procter and Gamble. All right. So Tesla, obviously is the car company, and Procter and Gamble is like Tide, toothpaste, Crest, Gain, Always, Bounty, stuff like that. All right. So this company has been making, this is why people are always rich. This is why rich people always stay rich, because generations been putting money into this, all right, like over and over. So what they do is they'll put massive amount of money on this, and they get a certain percentage back. All right. So Procter and Gamble, what they do is they pay you a dividend. All right. Procter and Gamble pays you a dividend. Let me just go in here. Let me go into my back. Let me go to the back office and show you what I'm talking. All right. As far as the dividend, so I just want to show you just went to my back. I'll just go to my back office to add some personal information. So I just clicked a couple. I just went to portfolio activity here. January 2020 subscription payment. It does cost $1 to use Stash. It costs $1 a month to use Stash. So it costs about $12 a month to use Stash. If you use my link in the description, see if you get a promo bonus. It might be like a $5 or $10 bonus or something like that, depending on what they have. So that could start you off and pay a couple months off right there. But like I said, guys, don't ever be discouraged or anything I show you that costs money to use. This does cost $1 a month, but I teach you how to make money online every single day. I teach you how to make $1 every day, $365 a year off one site. So to pay this is good $12 a month. I mean $12 a year. It's $1 a month, $12 a year. I teach you how to make $365 a year minimum, bare minimum. I teach you how to make. So the money I teach you how to make, take that money, put into this, and this becomes free. So this is what I try to tell you guys. If you take free money and you put it into something else, that becomes free. So if you take free money and you invest that free money into something else, you're literally investing for free. So you shouldn't have a problem. You shouldn't be like reluctant. You shouldn't be hesitant. You shouldn't be skeptic on, oh, should I do this or should I do that? It's free. So it's like, if you don't want to do it, I really can't help you, right? So you have to understand that. Right? This is why I created my system because when I was starting off, trying to find how to make money online, trying how to do this, trying how to do that, buy courses, do this self-help, self-teaching, self-education, knowledge, all that stuff costs money. Where I'm getting this money from? My 9 to 5 is not cutting it. This is why I'm looking online to try to make more money. This is why I created my system. Let me know. Is there a way can I make $5, $10 every single day, $20 every single day, $30 every single day? Is there a way? All right. So how do I do it? Figured out how to do it. Go through my channel. I teach you guys how to do it. All right. Now look right here. $1 a month. $1 a month every subscription payment. Here's my dividend payment of $1.88. Now I know you guys what you guys are thinking, like, oh my God, you put that much money in. You're only getting paid dividend of 1.88. I think it's about 2% or 2.5% or something like that. People, you have to understand, you have to put massive amount of money in here. Like if I had $4,000 in the account, this would be, let's see. This would be like around $100 if I had $4,000 in that account. So you have to understand how that builds. So you have to understand, for the people that are rich and wealthy, they'll have $400,000 in their account, and then this would be like 10 grand. A dividend payment of like 10 grand. Why? Because they have $400,000 in there. So they get paid 10 grand every certain, depending on, how it fluctuates the stock market, but they'll get paid 10 grand in here every couple months for having $400,000 cash in there. You understand? So it all depends. Like, I would tell people, like, yeah, go to stocks. You could go to stocks and you could put your money in stocks and stuff like that. But what if the market crashes, right? I don't know too much about the stock market and all that, right? I just know about Procter and Gamble. They've never lost money. Their investors never got money back. Their investors never lost money, ever, since this was created back in 19-something. I don't know if it was like 1920 or 30s when this started, but it never lost money, ever. Like, ever. Even if you get a little bit, even if you only make, if the worst year you make not even 1% more back on your money, or you draw even, it's okay. You never lost money. So you never lose money. So, and it's 2020 now, so everything's going to go up. So I have no problem with that. But subscription payment is $1. Dividend payment of $1.88 because I only have $400 or something like that invested in here. You got to invest more money to get money back. So when this $1.88 comes back, all I'm doing is paying my subscription again. You see that? That's all I'm doing. So the reason why I haven't really been, putting really much money into this is because you need massive amount of money to put in here. So what I'm going to start doing is, just staying consistent. Staying consistent over time, over a year, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, this could be, I could get a dividend payment of $1,000 or $2,000, $3,000 every couple months. That would be great. Okay, so you have to find different ways to make your income work for you. So some people just keep working, take that money, take the money that your 9 to 5 money, take that money and put into let's say take that money you put into Procter and Gamble. Some people do that because they know that they're gonna get their money back. It's gonna be slower. It's way slower to get your money back, but on your initial investment, it's gonna take so long to get your initial investment back. But they know that it's a way to make money. So they'll just take money and dump it into why? Because they know it works. They won't even go out and try different ways. They just know this works, and they'll just dump money in here. So they'll dump $4 million in this account and get paid $100,000 every quarterly, stuff like that. So it depends on, the percentage and how the stock market fluctuates, but this is how rich people make money. All right. If you're rich right now, you put $4 million in Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble is going to turn around and pay you around $100,000, something like that, every 4 months, quarterly, depending on how the numbers move in the stock market. So this is how people get rich. This is how the wealthy stay wealthy. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Let me go to my home screen real quick. So 684.71. Now, I'm going to click into this real quick. I wanted to do a cash out, cash to invest. I'm going to cash this out right here. All right. Only thing is I have to go to my back office and I have to put in my, I got to change my, I got to put it in a new debit card. So I'm going to put my debit card information, which I'm going to do right now real quick. Okay. I put in new information right here. Link with your checking account is pending. Your account will receive 2 small deposits from Stash within a few business days. Check your statement and enter the amounts when you see them. All right, so I'm not going to be able to cash out that $17 that I want to cash out immediately. I'm going to have to wait until I'm going to check my account, see once they send me some, they're probably going to send me a penny. Once they send me a penny or like 2 or 3 cents, I got to go to them and enter the amount that they sent me, and then my account will be linked. All right, so let me just back out of here real quick. And it will look like this. All right. Security link your bank. Your account will receive 2 small deposits from Stash within a few business days. Check your statement and enter the amounts. All right. All you got to do is enter amount 1, enter amount 2. All right. Once you do that, they can verify that that's your account. Okay. So that's how you link your bank account. If you want to know how to link your bank account, let's go back to the home. Okay, so this is being I just want to see what it's going to say if I would click that. All right, so 684.71. If I was to let me click this. If I was to sell my account, if I was to sell my stocks, I would make $351. If I sell this account, I would make $316. All right, that's plus 34% of my money. This is plus 75% on my money. Okay, so at right now, I wish I put $100,000 in here, right? $100,000 would have been, $175,000. So that's pretty, right? Even if I put $1,000 in here, that would have been an extra. You know what I mean? So you have to understand that if I put an extra $1,000, if I put $1,000, it would have been an extra $750. So you have to understand the more money you put in, the more you're going to get out. If you really know something or you really believe in something, go all in. If you don't, then don't, right? But you have to know. You have to know, right? Like, I know Tesla is going to be a great company. It's a great company now, but I already know throughout the future, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, Tesla is going to be untouchable, right? It's going to be crazy. So this is why I invest my money in Tesla. I could not sell the stock and keep it and just give it to my son. My son's 18, 20 years old. Tell him to sell it. He'll get some money off that, all right? He can make some money off that. All right, Procter & Gamble stock, Tesla stock. These are the 2 stocks I use. I don't get a whole big portfolio with a whole bunch of stocks. I just get 2 stocks that I know and just dive in, all right? If you do get these 2 stocks, say if you was going to put $10 in each stock, I would just put $5 in Tesla and put 15 in Procter. Procter's more safe and it's more guaranteed. Tesla's going to be up and down because they're trying to get to Mars. They're trying to build new cars and build stuff like that. So it's going to be a lot of up and down. But Procter & Gamble is going to be a steady slope to the top, all right? So free online money maker. Stay focused out there. Stay dedicated. Shout out to my online team. Anything you guys need help with, hit me up. All right. Once this is finished, once my account's finished, I'm gonna cash out. All right, for all our money makers, sign it out. Peace.